Hey everyone, I am going to show you an easy peasy way to renew your favorite t-shirt. Lock the armhole part, join the sleeve together, and this is where the wrist will come out, and it's got a slight flare to it. With the purple chiffon, I've done exactly the same as the black chiffon. I've joined it at the same place as I did with the black sleeve, except I've kept it open and I've just overlocked all the way around. Pin the armhole together. Now you take the black and the purple and place right sides together, and then this part is what is going to be under the armpit. This is the open part of the sleeve. When you'll just attach together, you can either straight stitch it with the machine or just tack it by hand. And then you will see that the purple remains open while the black sleeve underneath has been sewn together. You're going to take the part that's down by the wrist, you're going to join that together so that there's a nice bellow and opening with the purple and the black underneath. You can also take it and just turn it over and straight stitch it to neaten it. You're going to sew it. You're going to take the black and the purple and the t-shirt and you're going to place it together. You're going to pin it and you're going to make sure that they're all right sides facing each other. And you're going to put it under the machine. You're going to back stitch it and then you're going to sew all 3 layers all the way around the armhole. And there you'll see that's how it's been stitched to the armhole, and that's the purple and the black sleeve underneath. And there I've attached a pin where I'm just going to work a little bit of bling onto that area. The wrist part of it, you're going to attach it together. You can put some bling there if you want to. If you would like to, you can take both layers of chiffon, fold it over, put elastic there and just gather it, or you leave it loose. If you like that, so click the like button. If you want to see more about being creative, then click the subscribe button.